Market experts accept EPS could reach 94 cents by 2025. Bearish Ellipsis money market cost expectation for 2022 is 16 cents. Ellipsis money presentation. Ellipsis money sent off in 2021 to permit financial backers to safely trade tokens on the Binance Shrewd chain with little slippage. It has as of late begun executing another move up to keep accomplishing this objective by including its token EPS relocating to another digital money under the ticker EPX. EPS is presently revitalizing. However, could this destroy the street for the obsolete token? Furthermore, what's the significance here for an Ellipsis cost expectation? It's critical to explore whether EPS might actually become useless because of this new turn of events. Assuming this is the case, then any Ellipsis value expectation would become invalid and void. All things considered, how could anybody need to put resources into a stage whose local token is not generally utilized or upheld? While EPS might be revitalizing now, it's conceivable that once EPX emerges, everybody will jettison EPS altogether for the new cash. The truth will come out eventually whether this occurs. Notwithstanding, it's something that would merit considering prior to making any kind of Ellipsis cost expectation. What is Ellipsis money? Ellipsis money has a great deal of potential since it permits clients to trade coins on the Binance Shrewd chain. The environment utilizes a pool framework like PancakeSwap and Uniswap, making it safer and less slippage. Financial backers can stake tokens into these pools, which give liquidity to clients needing to trade their token. The undertaking has a ton of potential since it depends on the Binance Savvy chain. This gives it preferable security and lower slippage over different stages. Furthermore, the pool framework permits financial backers to give liquidity to clients needing to trade their token. Ellipsis will profit from the help of the Bend Money Group, which has a demonstrated history in building trustless, decentralized conventions with zero expenses. The group's obligation to productivity and security makes them ideal accomplices for Ellipsis. The Bend Money convention is based on top of the Ethereum blockchain, which gives it a few benefits over different conventions. Ethereum, right off the bat, is the most well-known blockchain stage on the planet, with a huge and dynamic engineer local area. This implies that more instruments and assets are accessible for engineers hoping to expand on Ethereum than on some other stage. Furthermore, Ethereum is significantly more adaptable than other blockchains, meaning it can deal with additional exchanges each second than its adversaries. At long last, Ethereum has a large number of existing applications that can be coordinated with Bend Money, making it an unbelievably strong convention. The EPS Token. The EPS token is the way into the Ellipsis money biological system. At the point when tokens are gotten into liquidity pools, financial backers are likewise qualified for a portion of benefits in EPS. This makes the symbolic key to the working of Ellipsis money. Its local token likewise has different purposes. For instance, it very well may be utilized to decide on administration choices made by the group. This guarantees that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Generally speaking, the EPS token is a critical piece of what compels Ellipsis money novel and effective. Its various purposes imply that becoming one of the world's driving cryptocurrencies is strategically set up. This framework is intended to boost long-haul interest in the stage, as financial backers who stake their EPS tokens for the full 90 days will be compensated with extra tokens. Notwithstanding, it makes an expected hindrance for clients who might have to rapidly get to their assets more. In that capacity, it is vital to consider whether this stage is ideal for your necessities prior to putting away any cash. Ellipsis current cost. Ellipsis money is at present worth 21 cents USD. EPS has moved 0.47% as of now with an exchanging volume of $287,905. Ellipsis money is at present positioned 481 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $24,494,590 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Ellipsis money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Ellipsis money value expectation 2022. Ellipsis money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The EPS cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 31 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 29 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. EPS is supposed to have a base worth of 25 cents. Ellipsis money value forecast 2023. In 2023, Ellipsis money EPS cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of EPS will before long outperform 52 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the EPS's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, EPS will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 42 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 46 cents. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 73 cents and EPS might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. EPS is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 67 cents and a low of 63 cents in 2024. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Ellipsis Money effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the EPS coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, EPS will be green in 2025. The EPS is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 94 cents, with a base cost of 84 cents and a typical cost of 88 cents. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the EPS cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.10 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.05 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, EPS has a most extreme value worth of $1.16. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.31. In the event that EPS figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.37. Neglecting to assemble the help EPS needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.26. Ellipsis Money Value Expectation 2028. While EPS is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.48 and a yearly cost close above $1.58 in 2028. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Ellipsis Money will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.69 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.79, averaging out at $1.73. Ellipsis Money Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme EPS cost in 2030 is projected to be $2.07 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.98. All in